So after being here for all of a day at Garner State Park on the Rio Frio, we can see why river flow is so important. We came out here because we saw Gatewood Brown on his channel. He does kayak camping. So we came out here because of his videos. He does such a great job, and we wanted to see the Frio in action. And it is definitely low. It's beautiful still. And you can see how clear the water is. But I can only imagine how fast these rapids would be if there was a lot of water flowing through here. Still a beautiful day out here on the Frio.